In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for project management step by step, so you can organize your tasks, collaborate with your team, and keep every project on track from start to finish. Whether you're managing a small team, working with clients, or running multiple projects at once, Monday.com gives you a flexible system to plan, track, and deliver work efficiently. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is setting up your project workspace. Go to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option called Workspaces. Click on Workspaces to either create a new workspace or select an existing one. A workspace is essentially a folder that contains all the boards related to a specific department, client, or project type. If you're starting fresh, click to create a new workspace. Give it a clear and descriptive name, and organize it based on your team or client. This keeps everything structured from the very beginning and prevents your account from becoming cluttered as you scale. Next, let's create your project board. In the left sidebar, click the plus Add button, then select New Board. You'll be prompted to name your board, so use the actual name of your project to keep things clear. After that, choose the visibility. If the whole team needs access, select Main. You can also choose private or shareable depending on your needs, but for most team projects, Main works best. Then select a project management template if you want a head start with pre-built columns and workflows, or choose a blank board if you prefer to build everything from scratch. Once you click Create Board, your project board will open and you're ready to customize it. Now it's time to structure your board properly. Think of your board as the control center for your entire project. Start by creating groups. Groups help you organize tasks into stages. For example, you can create groups called Backlog, In Progress, Review, and Done. This immediately gives you a clear workflow. Inside each group, click Add Item to create tasks. Each item represents a specific task or deliverable within your project. After adding tasks, customize your columns to track the right information. Common columns include status, owner, deadline, priority, timeline, and dependencies. To add a column, click the plus icon at the end of your existing columns and choose the column type you need. For example, use the status column to show whether a task is working on it, stuck, or done. Use the people column to assign tasks. Use the date column for deadlines. You can drag and drop columns left or right to rearrange them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. The goal here is to make your board reflect how your team actually works. Once your structure is ready, it's time to assign and track tasks. Click on any task to open its detailed view. Here, you can assign a team member using the people column, so everyone knows who is responsible. Set a due date using the date column to keep deadlines visible. Update the status column regularly to reflect progress. This gives you a real-time overview of where every task stands. Inside the task view, you'll also find the Updates panel. This is where collaboration happens. Add detailed descriptions, leave comments, tag teammates, and upload files directly related to the task. Instead of searching through emails or chat messages, everything stays connected to the task itself. You can also check the activity log to see a history of changes, which is extremely useful for accountability and tracking progress over time. As you continue using Monday.com, you can explore additional views like timeline or calendar to visualize your project schedule. But even with just boards, groups, and columns set up properly, you already have a powerful project management system in place. And that's how to use Monday.com for project management step by step. Set up your workspace, create your board, structure it with the right groups and columns, and actively assign and track tasks to keep your projects moving forward. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.